What's up, guys? Terrence here. Today, I want to talk about my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I want to talk about some issues my phone suffered over the weekend. Just out of nowhere, guys. Let me show you my phone. Let me show you the problem, too. So, my phone, as you guys can see, it's pretty much as if I bought it. I mean, the condition is as if I bought it yesterday. Mint condition. And I was outside doing some work around the house and I went to make a phone call and my phone showed these bars scrolling across as if the phone was searching for service. And then out of nowhere, it got the message saying to update the phone if I wanted. That would have no cellular service, or I couldn't make or receive calls until the phone was updated to the 13.4.1. So I show you guys the message. After restarting the phone several times, the phone continuously gave me this cellular error or the no service. So I can FaceTime, I can send messages, but I cannot make any phone calls. Or when I leave the house, if I don't have a Wi-Fi service, guys, I cannot make a call. No service whatsoever. So I called Apple. I was on the phone with Apple for about an hour and they took me through some different sequences to try to get the phone back up and running. Like I said, they were asking me, did I drop the phone? Was it water damage? And my phone, I take care of. This is an investment to me because I spent a lot of money on it. Of course, I buy a cover. Whenever I buy a new phone, I immediately have a cover on standby and a screen protector. So I told them no damage was did to the phone. The phone is in like new condition, and they took me through a variety of sequences to try to get the phone back up and then going, and to no avail. Let me show you guys exactly what it's doing. There's a cellular message. There's an error in the cellular message. So when you press on cellular, it tells you an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone. Not if you go to the general and about. It's not. My phone is up to date. I even, after so many tries, we were able to get the 13.4.1. That's what I did mention, guys. My phone wasn't able to even download the update. It took forever to download the update 13.4.1. I actually couldn't do it off my phone. I had to plug up to my computer to get the update up and going on my phone. And when it finally updated, I thought I was going to be great, but to no avail. No service on my phone. So what Apple decided to do was, I only have the warranty that comes with the phone. I don't have the extended Apple Care warranty. So I had to pay a $30 fee or send the phone in for repair, or pay a $30 fee and get another phone. And I was specific about this, guys. So if you're going through this, make sure you ask if you're getting a refurbished phone, in which I don't want. I would have sent my phone in, or are they going to send you a new phone? So what they did was, I paid the $30 fee. It's $29.95 for the service fee, and I think $1 and something. And they overnighted the phone to me, the other phone. I'll show it to you guys in a second. But my only gripe about this whole situation, now I understand that, hey, I don't have the extended Apple warranty, but my phone is under warranty, and I didn't drop it or break it or anything, or didn't put it in water. But my only gripe about this whole situation was, my credit card, they put a $1,440 some hold on my credit card in the event I don't ship this phone back. And my gripe about that is, you didn't send me a brand new phone in a box. You sent me a phone, and it came in this box, guys. It's a new phone, but it came in this box. And I'm thinking, if you're gonna charge me for a full phone, by some mysterious force that this phone don't arrive back to the company or arrive back to Apple, and you charge my credit card for a brand new entire phone, which I can go on apple.com or buy one even cheaper on eBay or somewhere, a total phone with all the accessories, even though I never use my accessories, I never even touch these accessories, all this stuff is new. But you send me I was expecting to get a whole phone exactly like this, because like I said, if it don't go back, my phone is charged. My credit card is charged. It's as if I purchased a brand new phone in a box. So they sent this one, guys. They said something happened with well, she wouldn't tell me. I don't know. It's like there was an inexperienced Apple representatives on the phone with me, and they normally are sharp with what they're about these phones and about their service and about their product, and that wasn't the case. And like I said, they sent this phone out, a brand new phone, just in this box. So I have to ship this old phone back in this box, and there's a return label. There's a return label on the box. So I remove this tab and pull it back and send the phone back, which is great. Make it kind of convenient for the consumer to ship the phone back, hassle-free. But like I said, my only gripe was getting a phone not in a box. But if I didn't ship this one back, my credit card would have been charged as if I bought an entire whole phone. So guys, I just want to show you guys this just in case you guys are going through anything like my phone went through out of the blue. No damage to my phone or anything. Like I said, as you can see, this phone, you cannot tell the difference. My phone, and I've had it. I bought it. Of course, I bought all my products at the very beginning. This is the day one. This shipped. I was able to get the phone when it came out. I didn't have to wait on a second shipment. And my phone is identical to the phone that they shipped. I mean, it's in excellent condition, and it just mysteriously stopped working. I just want to show that to you guys, and this is their solution. If you do come across this problem or error with your phone, the solution is I wouldn't send in to get your phone repaired. She said it will take up to 10 days to get my phone back, and I need phone service now. Very important that I have an operable phone. Don't send it in for service. Pay the little $30 fee, guys, and get the new phone. Guys, you can see I got service. I put the new SIM card in, and I instantly got service on the new phone. And now I'm doing phone-to-phone transfer data. Super easy. I love this method of transferring from the old phone to the new phone. I don't have to worry about plugging it up to my computer or downloading it from the cloud. So, new phone working perfect. Got phone service already. This one continues to scroll or roam or search for service.